Even though Republicans are a minority in the Congress, in the Senate, they're a minority with a veto. They have the ability to block legislation, and they have done so on health care reform. Therefore, it is clear that health insurance reform cannot be enacted this year. On September 18th, the New York Times reported that the Republican floor manager on health care, Senator Bob Packwood, told his Republican colleagues, and I quote, "We've killed health care reform. Now we've got to make sure our fingerprints are not on it." End of quotation. They have succeeded in their first objective of killing health care reform. Whether they succeed in making sure their fingerprints are not on it remains to be seen.
Senator Dole, did you hear Senator Packwood say that we killed health reform? We have to make sure our fingerprints are not on it. And do you think that's true? That the Republicans killed health? Yeah. What about it?
He'll be up here in a minute, so you can ask him.
Is that true? Is that true?
I don't know.
Do you think Republicans killed health reform this year?
No. American people, we listen to the American people. There are not enough Republicans to kill anything around here. We do the best we can. We're one of the, we're not protected under the Endangered Species Act, but we're looking to expand that to protect minorities like ours. But my view is the American people, the majority of the American people, Democrats, Republicans, Independents, said not this year, and we don't want all this government. We don't want everything else. And we're not going to be defensive about that. We respond to the American people. Now, it's all right for Senator Mitch to come up here and blame the Republicans, and that will probably be pursued by some in the media. But we responded to the American people. That's what this is all about. So I'm not a bit defensive. Neither is Paul Coverdale or Bob Packwood will be here in a minute. We think we responded to what they wanted, and what they didn't want was a big, big bureaucracy and global budgets and mandated alliances and mandates on small employees. And I think we were fairly successful, including some Democrats who joined us. And there never was a time in any of this debate when any Democrat bill had a majority, let alone 60 votes. They never had 50 votes for any of these plans.